In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image into an Outlook email. We'll go step by step so you can place a picture exactly where you want it, make it look clean, and send a message that gets attention. I'll show you the standard insert method first, and then a quick drag and drop shortcut if you prefer speed. Start by composing a new message. Click New Email to open a blank window. In the body of the message, click once to position the cursor where you want the image to appear. That blinking line is important. Outlook will place the picture right at that spot, so it's worth taking a second to get it exactly where you want it. Now, go up to the ribbon and choose the Insert tab. Click Pictures, then select this device. A file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select it, and click Insert. JPEG and PNG files are recommended because they display well and are widely supported. Once you insert the image, it appears inline, meaning it's embedded directly in the body of your email instead of being added as a separate attachment. To refine how it looks, click the image to select it. You'll see small handles around the edges. Drag a corner handle inward or outward to resize while keeping the proportions correct. If you drag a side handle, the picture may stretch, so corners are best for a clean look. To nudge the image's position, click and drag it slightly, or place the cursor before or after it and press Enter to add space. If your toolbar shows alignment options, you can center or left align to match your message style. There's also a faster way. Open the folder that contains your image and arrange it next to your Outlook window so both are visible. Click the image file, drag it directly into the email body, and release it when your cursor is where you want the picture to go. Outlook drops it inline, just like before. From there, adjust size and alignment the same way. This drag and drop approach skips menus and is great when you already have the file handy. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Large images can make emails heavy, so consider using reasonably sized pictures. Resizing in the email changes how big it looks, not the actual file size, so starting with a sensibly sized JPEG or PNG helps. And if recipients are reading on mobile, a moderate width keeps things readable without endless scrolling. That's it. Thanks for watching.